mentioned in many of my English learning series video that you can learn English only by communicating with people. That is, you can learn English only when you speak up or talk with person who speaks English. But many people don't have that option. That is, some people might not have any member at home who can speak English or any partner with them. Or suppose if you are home alone, you won't be having any partner to talk to in English. At this time, you can learn English just by yourself, just by talking to yourself. In today's video, I am going to tell you how you can talk English without help of any other English speaking person. Yes. Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jai. You're watching me on The Expand. Let's get into the video. By the end of today's video, I'm sure that you will be perfect in that technique where you can learn English by yourself without the help of any other people. Let's get into the video. The first technique which I would like you to follow is use mirror. Yes, mirror is a basic thing where every people have it in their house, right? And also, when you are passing by the mirror, you won't go without looking at your beautiful face. So what you do is stand in front of the mirror, take or set a timer up to 2 minutes or 3 minutes, how much ever you like, and then take your phone where you can record it. So stand in front of your mirror and start talking for that time which you have set. So even though if you make mistakes, no problem. The benefit of this is that nobody is going to judge you, nobody is going to laugh at you, and nobody is going to think that how bad his English is, because you are talking to yourself through your mirror and you cannot actually judge yourself, right? And also while talking, record yourself in that mobile phone how much ever time you're speaking. After recording it, just listen to that speech again and again and again, because you know that when you are making mistakes while you're talking in front of the mirror, I told you should not stop. So since you have not stopped, you should think that okay, what mistakes I have made from the recording. By this you can actually improve yourself without help of any other people. Second thing is that talk to yourself out loud. Yes, as I've already mentioned it in my previous video also, that the main reason for learning English is think in English, right? Apart from that also, I would like to suggest you to talk out loud. That means when you are alone, not that if you are in a public and then you are talking out loud to yourself, people will just think you are mad. So what you do is that think and talk to yourself loud out to yourself. So when you do that, you will feel like you are talking to another person. Third point which I would like you to suggest you is talk continuously. So whenever you talk to yourself, you should not stop in between, and also talk whatever thing comes in your mind. It is not required that you have to talk in a correct sentence or your English should be correct. You are a beginner, it's fine to make mistakes. So what you do is just talk randomly, whatever comes to your mind. Suppose if I'm not so good in English, I will be talking like, I have seen that girl that day and then I saw her in a red color and I love this word as a green color and my favorite color is pink. Something, whatever it is, it may be not relatable, it should not have any connection with it, but just talk to yourself, and after some time when you are doing it to yourself, when you are practicing it, you will start automatically thinking that okay, that time I made this mistake, so I should correct that mistakes right now. That's what I tell you, talk continuously, whether it is meaningful or whether it is meaningless, talk continuously. Fourth point is that speak slowly. So even though you're good in English, even though you're not good in English, you have to talk slowly. So normally I talk fast because whenever I'm nervous, I tend to talk fast. That time what happens is that many people don't understand what I'm talking. So, and also the another benefit of talking fast is that even though you make a mistake in that, you will not be recognized. but that is for the people who have been already talking English. But since you are a beginner, you are going to learn English. Every word, every sentence should be audible to people, and also you should understand. First of all, you should understand what you are speaking. So it's better to speak slowly with a lot of patience. So when you are doing this, when you are practicing this, you will automatically make yourself faster. Fifth one is focus on speaking fluently rather than speaking correctly. So this is what I tell you, grammar mistakes obviously happens. Even I make grammar mistakes till now, but when I speak, you might not even recognize that. This is the thing you have to do, even though you are not so correct in grammar, or if your English is not so correct, you have to keep up with your fluency. So whenever, even though I make mistakes, since I'm talking continuously, people won't get disappointed from me and they will think that I'm speaking good English. And also, when you are looking at your mirror and talking, concentrate on your mouth rather than looking at your face. Because when you do that, you will be able to see how the words are pronounced by you, and you can easily grasp that and use it in the speaking process. Sixth point is, speaking only won't make you better in English. Other than that, you have to do some other stuff also, such as reading books. I would suggest you that if you have not started reading, just start reading right now, because that have so much knowledge in it. And also, when you're reading books, from that you will be talking to your inner voice, you will be listening to your mind. So when you are reading each and every word, each and every sentences, you will be recalling that in your mind. So when you are talking outside, that will surely help you when you are speaking to other person. So I would recommend you that please start reading. Alone speaking cannot make you good in English. Reading also should be practiced. Seventh and the final technique which I want to tell you is, take an object from your house. Since you don't have any kind of fluent person to talk to you in English, just take an object and you have to start describing about that object. So if I'm seeing something, I should start telling each and every details about it. So in this time, it is sure that obviously I won't be knowing each and every word of that certain particle or certain objects, but when I repeatedly do that, it will really stuck in mind. When you don't know a word, already you have a Google with you. You have a word to know, like everything you can know just by typing something in the Google. So when you don't know, just search that kind of language in English. From your native language, just ask it what is the object name, or how to tell this, how to tell that in English. That will just show you automatically. I think these are the best ways you can do it to improve your English. Improve your English with yourself, not with communicating with people or not with the help of any other partner. So I hope that this would be at least 0.00001% helpful to you. I'm sure that you have to practice this, and also just remember the techniques which I have told you and just practice this. I think that is enough for you. And thank you so much. You came till the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other more suggestions, you can tell me in the comment sections. I don't know what kind of videos you want from me, so I cannot actually give my videos according to your expectations. So I would just like you to tell if you have any other suggestions, just mention it down. Share this video with some people who is struggling to learn English, who is struggling to learn English without help of anybody. If any people don't have any English speaking person in their house or any kind of native English speaking person with them, transfer this video or share this video to that person. I think this would be a very good help you can do. Thank you so much. Until the next video. Bye.